Ping are a family-run company, started in 1959, and the family are engineers at heart. Here at Loughborough, we specialise at the human-equipment interaction. So how can we better understand how humans are using our equipment and then tailor that for them?
The lab here in Loughborough has an indoor full swing simulator, and we can do everything from kind of chipping, pitching, all the way to kind of drives and longer shots. So in that section we have force plates as well as 16 Vicon cameras. We're really lucky to have a split system with the Valkyrie cameras. We use also some of the Vantage systems, so the older model in a hybrid, ultimately to leverage the benefits of both and try and really unpack how a golfer swings.
So when we're running motion capture sessions, we use Nexus as a capture tool as well as a visualization tool. Especially when we're working with tour players, we can use that to capture their data and then be able to communicate that to their coaches as well. We're trying to understand more and more about the golf swing and why things are happening. Ping typically focus their research on club movement, but recently with PhDs at the University of Loughborough, we're starting to look at the golfers' kinetics and kinematics. So Ping have just sponsored a female biomechanics PhD, and we're really looking forward to understanding how those vary and then inform club design so we can help better fit equipment to everyone in the market.
The first part of my PhD is all about understanding how female golf swings and then kind of leading into how do they interact with the equipment. If we change different properties of clubs, how are we going to react? And overall, driving education, but then also how do we optimize equipment for that population? It's really vital in the biomechanics world to use this to adapt and improve going forward.
A Vicon system for us really allows us to almost have an MRI for the golf swing and understand both the kinematics, so where that club's moving in space, as well as the forces and torques of the kinetics that the golfer is enacting on the club.
The beauty of a Vicon motion capture system is you're able to capture the motion at each joint and be able to actually quantify what every specific joint of the person's body is doing relative to the club, relative to the lab environment. We also have markers on the club to track club motion relative to the human motion.
Powered by Vicon, these really interesting biomechanical insights have led to a journey in equipment development for Ping.
We've worked with Vicon over 3 different camera generations to try and best model movements, and in the future we'll be working closely with them again to leverage new technology that can help us drive new insights and design better products.